In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Square credit card reader on an Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, we need to go to our Play Store and search for Square Reader app. And now this is the one you want to download. So this has got over 10 million downloads and over 230,000 reviews, and it's by Block Inc. So go ahead and download, install, and then for the first time, go ahead and open it up. Then from here, we need to either create an account or sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account. So I'm going to put in my email password. I really wish they had, you can sign up with your Google account, but they don't. So I'm just going to put in my email and password. Then make sure to choose the correct country and then click on create account. So I'm going to confirm. Now they're going to send you a verification code to your email, I'm pretty certain. Now from here, tell us about your business. So let's tailor Square for your business. So put in your business name, and then it's going to say, what do you sell at that? So I'm just going to say, what should I, professional services next. And then here's your ideal setup. So they're going to show you how to have it set up. So invoice and estimate, free or optional paid plan, service modes. So you can explore features if you like. You can select another mode if you want. So you can choose different modes. So what I just want services here, but you can do quick service, full service, bar, retail. So you've got so many different ways here. So the mode you select will be used on this device. You can add multiple modes later and switch between them anytime. So I'm just going to use this mode for this demonstration. Now it's going to prepare that mode for you. Now device settings. So we need to go ahead and enable these. So enable that. So you just go down the check box list here. So allow. And then click on start using Square. Now develop options not supported. So this device has enabled develop options. Please disable develop options to restart your device. So go ahead and click on OK. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto more. Then scroll down, click onto settings. And then from here, inside of settings, we're going to click onto hardware, scroll down. And then we need to connect and manage. So Square readers, click onto that. And then basically go ahead and click on connect a reader. So we need a pair reader. So press and hold the button on the reader until the orange lights start flashing, then releases it. Then you release it. When the reader shows up, make sure its serial number matches the one on your reader. And then from here, it's going to connect your reader. Then once you've done that, your application will automatically pair with that reader. Then next, go ahead and put that reader somewhere where the customer can scan it, so in an easy spot. And then from there, set in the dollar amount and then click on charge, and then the customer will tap using their phone to pay for that amount.